Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a very common problem for the Blackstone griddles, which is when you're cooking a lot of greasy food on the griddle top, it'll start all pooling down and coming down the grease channel, and sometimes it will not flow right into the grease tray, but it will instead loop around back here and then drip down the leg of the griddle. So there's a couple different ways to deal with this, but the easiest way that I've found is just to grab a standard food can, take off the label if you want, and then just remove the actual drip tray. So you just have the holder there, and just position the can in there so that it goes all the way back to the sort of edge of where the Blackstone griddle meets this grease channel that shoots over top of it. And then you're just going to prevent all of that grease from actually going back and down the leg. So I can show you a video right now. This is the problem I was having when I first started seasoning the griddle. As you can see, the bacon grease was sort of dripping off the side of it, but it wasn't going into the actual drip tray. It was going down the leg. So I looked for a solution online, and the best one I found was just to get this little can here, and it fixed the problem for me. So I hope this solution helps you out, guys. If you have any other methods of fixing this common problem, then please post below in the comments and let me know. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing. All you gotta do to subscribe is hit that subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner of your screen, or hit the icon that is right here, right there. Click that button, and you'll be able to receive notifications whenever I post new videos. Also, check out some of my other videos here. Alright guys, see you on the trail.